Well, good morning, good afternoon, whatever it might be. We're going to test fly the Take 3 for, I don't know, this is the fourth time I've built this airplane. Each one just a little bit different. So let's see if this one will fly. They usually do, at least for a minute. Oh. Okay, that was weird. Make sure that wasn't a loose connection. Right, left, up, down, left, right. Power. Sunglasses. This one I built with a skid. There's no tail wheel. The rudder's big enough where it shouldn't really matter. So let's see what happens. About time to groom the field again. Oh wow. Well, that's a great start. No trim needed. Wow. Let's keep it in the sky. Yep. That's a lot of aileron. Woo, that's a lot of rudder. Oh yeah. You use more power. Bigger battery. 2 cells kind of weak, but it makes it so light. A really light airplane. I even got flaps on it. I haven't tried those yet, I guess. Let's see what happens. Whoa, look at that. They work pretty good. All right, enough of that. I mean, even with a 2-cell 2200 kV motor, 4 9-gram servos, homemade landing gear, all foam board, all one piece of foam board. And I got a carbon fiber rod I put in the bottom of the wing so it doesn't fold up like the last one I built. That was cool. Yeah, it flies good. I'll have the build video out here shortly. Having some computer issues, so I'm shooting this on my phone today just so you guys can see it. Well, yeah, flies good. I guess we should. I didn't have to put one touch of trim. That's pretty amazing. I think it might need a bigger prop. I don't know. It just feels underpowered. It's pretty slow, but it's really docile. I mean, it's. Of course, I'm flying at control throws at 125%. You don't want to probably fly it that way if you're kind of new to flying. Yeah, that's a great little airplane. Hey, if you know how to make a PDF of something like this, if I sent you one of my foam board planes in a box and you could put it in a PDF file for me, that'd be awesome. A lot of people want these airplanes I build, and I can't give them to them because, wow, because I don't know how to do all that. This is where the tail wheel would have been nice, but hey, that's okay. Almost feels like my wheel's locked up. Oh yeah, that wheel's completely locked up. Huh. Oh, I see what I didn't do. I didn't tighten that up. Well, I brought a screwdriver at least. And tighten that up. It's just one of those things when you make your own landing gears and stuff. You gotta keep an eye on that. Yeah, that taxi's good with the tail skid. Always helps when the wheels turn. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And like I said, I'll have the build video out real soon.